Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Angel Gabriel Tarets. This video is in English. Someone has asked from me that what Sushant wanted to give tribute to Ankita Lokhande. So I am translating this video. When I asked from my card that what Sushant wanted to give tribute to Ankita. Ankita recently has given a stage performance and he has danced on a song on Dhoni movie. So the first card which Sushant is showing is of love and affection. You can see here is a pigeon, and the pigeon is the symbol of love and affection. And Sushant is showing love towards Ankita, and this card shows that Sushant wanted to say from Ankita that you should remain rich and prosperous, and I wanted that you should marry from that person who will be very rich and prosperous, and you should do your hobbies like studying something, like gaining knowledge. And Sushant is actually wanted to share the uh, good thoughts for Ankita, and he is saying that you are so knowledgeable, you are so practical in life, you are so mature, and be like this only. And here is the card of angel. That means Sushant himself is saying to Ankita that I am very happy that you have given me the tribute. And Sushant Singh Rajput himself here want to say something from these cards. He is messaging that at the time, actually, this card says that Sushant, at the very young age, he is rich and prosperous, and he has been made as a, you can say, as a king, as a prince, young prince. So here is the card of the Sushant. Now this is the card of the angel. If I relate these cards, then this card is messaging that Sushant has been beaten. You can see that two people are beating this person, and this person is defending himself from these two persons. So at the time of when Sushant is murdered and beaten, this card shows that he has been murdered and beaten. At that moment also, he Sushant is thinking about Ankita, that you should be there for saving me, something like this. So he is giving message to the Ankita that at the time of beating also I am thinking about you only, how much you love me and how much you care for me when you are with me, when you are made friendship with me. And after beating me, he is messaging that he has been hanged, and one leg has been broken and one leg has been hanged, and he has been hanged finally to the death. And he is messaging that if he thought about Ankita, that if Sushant will be married with Ankita, or somewhat there will be a possibilities of friendship, then he will keep his wife as an empress, very rich and prosperous. He will be most loving husband towards Ankita. So this card shows that Sushant is messaging that you are like an empress, and if I have having a wife like you, then I will be very happy and very, you can say, very very happy. And he is giving a tribute to Ankita. And in reality, but at the end, when at the end it in the at the end of the when Sushant has been beaten and murdered, at the end Sushant is uh, not able to decide what to do, and he has been not able to decided whether he will marry Ria or some other person. And at the time his father is also very much worried that how much how my son will get married, to whom he will get married. And there is already a breakup between Ankita and Sushant. These things are very disturbing for the father also and for Sushant also. Sushant is not able to judge the things, because there is the entry of the Ria and Sandeep and all the wrong people, as I've earlier told, that these all are wrong people which totally damage the life of Sushant. And Sushant is not able to judge and not able to know the reality that yes, these people are creating problems, and in the future also they will create problems. So Sushant is not able to decide that to which female lady he should marry, and he is so worried, and he is saying that his friends are creating problems at that time. You can see the birds are biting this person is so religious and so knowledgeable, but these birds are, you can see here, the biting. So Sushant is saying that I have been so pressurized, so badly treated from my friends, that I'm not able to get out from this situation. He wanted to go out. This card shows that he wanted to go out all these situations. He wanted to go out from the India also, and do some other work in other and in other field, or in, you can say, in other place. But he is not able to do all these things, and he has been uh, all things gone in vain only. So these cards simply give the message that Sushant is very happy that Ankita has given the tribute. The first card is of love and affection only. This is the only first message, and he wanted Ankita should be married to the very good person. That person should understand the Ankita also, and they will be good couples. And he is tributing. He is also giving a good message for the Ankita, but he is saying that when he has been beaten badly and hanged, at the time also he is thinking about Ankita, and he must be he has been thought that I should call her or whatever he should do, but he is not able to do all these things. So I think you have got the message. Thank you for watching my video.